Welcome to present perfect continuous. This tense describes an action that started in the past and continues to the present moment. The focus is on the duration and the ongoing activity. For example, I have been working means the work started earlier and is still happening now. The formula for present perfect continuous is subject plus have or has plus been plus the verb with ing ending. For example, I have been working. Notice the three parts after the subject: have or has, then been, then the ing form of the verb. This structure is the same for all positive sentences. Let's look at some examples. I have been working means I started working in the past, and I am still working now. She has been studying means she started studying earlier and is still studying at this moment. They have been running means the group started running and they continue to run now. All of these show actions that began in the past and are still happening. The auxiliary verb changes depending on the subject. For I, you, we, and they, we use have been. For he, she, and it, we use has been. This is the only part that changes. The rest of the structure remains the same. So it is I have been working, but she has been studying. Present perfect continuous often uses specific time expressions. We use for followed by a duration, like for 2 hours or for 3 days. We use since followed by a starting point, like since morning or since noon. We also use all day or lately. These expressions tell us how long the action has been happening. Here are complete sentences using present perfect continuous. I have been working for 3 hours means the work started 3 hours ago and continues now. She has been studying all morning means she began studying in the morning and is still studying. They have been playing since noon means they started playing at noon and are still playing. Notice how each sentence has the subject, have or has, been the ing verb, and a time expression.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.